Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss the motion of artificial satellites. In this article we will calculate the motion orbital velocity of artificial satellites. Satellites. So first we have to know about the satellite. Any object that revolves around a planet is called a satellite, and where we have only one natural satellite, that is a moon. And when we have the in a last topic we have discussed that the artificial satellites, when we have the sent many objects into the space, and a few of them will revolve around the earth, that is called the artificial satellites. And we have discussed also the GPS, global positioning system, and position in a navigation system. And we have discussed the distance of the moon from the earth, and how in how many days it will complete its one revolution. Now over here, come on to the topic. In this topic we will calculate the orbital speed of the artificial satellites. So we will start from this diagram. Let's suppose we have this satellite. It is capital R is the distance from the center of the earth, this small h is the height of the altitude of the satellite, and this r naught is the orbital radius. Now whenever an object that is that is in keep its motion in a or in a circle, that is a centripetal force. Now over here, the weight of this satellite will be acting vertically downward, and the force of gravitation of attraction between the satellite and the earth will provide the necessary centripetal force, and that centripetal force will be responsible to keep the object move in a this revolution, to keep in this revolution. Basically this centripetal force is responsible, and it would be provided by the center of gravitation, the earth the gravitation of attraction of satellite between the satellite and the earth will be provided centripetal force. Now we will use the relation of the centripetal force, that is Fc is equal to mv square by r naught. V naught is the orbital velocity, orbital speed, and r naught is the orbital radius. Now this is the first equation. Then weight of the satellite is acting vertically downward, that is Fc is equal to W is equal to mgh. Gh means it's a way, because in this chapter we have discussed that the value of the G will be variate with the altitude. So that is a gh. Now we will do the comparison of equation 1 and 2. We have this relation. Now m will be cancel out m. We have this relation. We will take the square root on both sides. Then this formula will be v naught is equal to gh r naught. Now when this r naught will be equal to the r plus capital R plus h. Now this will be alter this formula like in this way, r plus h. Now in a case we have the r, capital R is a greater than h, then r plus h would be equal to the capital R, and gh would be equal to the small g. So we will put these values in this above expression. So it will be the v naught is equal to gr. So now this is the relation of all these the formulas are the relation. These formulas are the will give the orbital speed of the artificial satellites. Now we will put the value of the g 10 meter per second square, and capital radius of the earth 6.0 to 10 raised to 6 meter. So in this formula, and then we are able to calculate the orbital velocity. So it would be equal to the 8 kilometer per second.